In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in ClickUp. If you no longer need an old template, or you just want to keep your ClickUp workspace clean and organized, deleting unused templates is a simple process. Before you begin, just keep in mind that removing a template is permanent, so it's a good idea to make sure it's something you truly no longer need. To get started, sign into ClickUp and open your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Templates are tied to the workspace you're currently viewing, so choosing the right one at the start will help avoid deleting the wrong item. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the upper left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name. This will open a menu with several options. From there, select Templates to open the Template Management area. Now that you're in the Templates section, locate the template you want to delete. If you have many templates saved, using the search option can help you find the correct one more quickly. Take a moment here to double check the name so you're sure you found the right template. After that, click on the template to open its preview. This gives you a chance to review it before deleting it, which is especially helpful if you have templates with similar names or purposes. A quick preview can save you from removing something by mistake. Next, look for the three dots next to the template name. Click on those three dots to open the template menu. This menu contains additional actions you can perform for that template. From the menu, choose Delete Template. As soon as you click this option, ClickUp will ask you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is important because deleting a template cannot be undone through recovery later. To finish, click Delete to confirm. Once confirmed, the template will be permanently removed from your workspace. One last reminder before you do this. Deleted templates cannot be recovered. If there's any chance you might need that template again in the future, consider reviewing it carefully before confirming the deletion. And that's all it takes to delete a template in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.